and welcome to this Excel tutorial on engineering functions. In this video, we'll see some commonly used engineering functions in Excel. First, we're going to start with BESSEL functions. We have different types of BESSEL functions, like BESSEL I, J, K, and Y. BESSEL functions help us to arrive at a modified BESSEL function. For instance, to get Bessel I value of the function x and order n, we'll have to type equals Bessel I, and then you select the function x and the order n. For a clearer picture, if you click on the function box here, it tells you that x is the value at which to evaluate the function, which is what we have in column C, and the value n is the order of the Bessel function, which is in our column D. So using these x and n values, we can arrive at the modified Bessel function, which is 15.38922. To clearly understand what a Bessel function does, click on this button and then click Help on this function. It explains to you in a clear manner with the description as well as examples of what the Bessel I function does. Similarly, calculations are performed for Bessel J, K, and Y. Equals Bessel J, followed by function x and order n, equals Bessel J, x, n. And here the formula would be equals Bessel K, followed by function x and order n. And similarly, we have Bessel Y. Function x, order n. So we've got the modified Bessel functions now. And next we'll move on to the delta function. What exactly does delta do? It's going to test whether two numbers are equal. Now I'm going to test whether the numbers in column C are equal to the numbers in column D. So, number 1, number 2, hit enter, and if the numbers match, then the delta value is 1. If they don't, then the delta's value is 0. Right now, none of the values match, so delta equals 0. When we change the input here, we now have a matching field in column C and D. So there, delta equals 1. And now let's move on to the binary to decimal function. This function is used to convert a binary number to a decimal number. Let me type a few binary inputs here. Binary values consist of zeros and ones. And now that my binary values are ready, I can go ahead and convert this into decimals. Equals bin2dec, the number, and then the decimal equivalent of the binary value is reflecting here. Similarly, we can convert decimal numbers to binary values. And the formula for that one is dec2bin of the decimal number, hit enter, and there you have it, the decimal number has been converted into a binary value. Next, we'll look at the convert function. This one is used to convert a particular unit to a different one. Equals, convert, open parenthesis, The number goes here, comma, the unit of measurement the number is currently in. Let's take it as tons. So it's currently tons, and I want to convert it to grams. Close parenthesis. And here the result says 1 ton equals 907,184 grams, and so on. And there you have it. These are some of the basic engineering functions in Excel. Thanks for watching.